Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the uptrend on this one continues, although today a little bit of a disappointment, but keyword there being today, as in one day. When you take a step back and look at multiple days, everything is still perfectly fine. The overall uptrend is still perfectly intact. But it's become very clear that this 12-cent area right up here is definitely going to be very stubborn. Talked about that in the video previously, but you can see that this morning the price actually made a move up towards that red line and ultimately did get rejected back from there. So that's where it was a disappointing day today. It tried to break up through that resistance, but couldn't quite do it, failed, and then pulled back. So that was the bearish part of today. But again, just because today was bearish does not mean that the entire chart is bearish, because taking a step back and looking at more than one day, you can see that everything is still perfectly healthy. And to best illustrate this, and I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for illustration purposes, let's say the price actually comes back down here to 9 cents, that green line, and then continues on up again. What would that still be giving you if that were to occur? Well, that'd still be giving you a set of lows right here, and then you look at that set of lows there, and that set of lows, and that set of lows, and that set of lows. And if you envision each one of those as stair-steps, what do you have from the big picture? You still very clearly have from the big picture stair-steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that is the name of the game. That's what it's all about. So yeah, today in and of itself, not the greatest day. Disappointing. It got rejected and then pulled back. But again, that is just looking at today. When you take a step back and look at multiple days as you're doing here, you can see the overall trend is full in effect. There's still a higher base being built, and that is definitely what matters the most moving forward. So all in all, assuming that you're not some sort of day trader that bought at the open today and was planning to buy and sell within 5 minutes, assuming you just care about the big picture point of view, then everything is still perfectly fine. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.